Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to save variables in just some second by using my own plugin that I made for Godot Add-on Jam in just 2 days. So first of all, what we have to do is made a new auto load scene. So first of all, we have to make a new scene, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it auto load, then save it. Uh, Let me make a folder, auto load scene, and save. Now what we have to do, go to project setting, auto load, and let me add our auto load scene here. And remember the node name here, add, close. Now what we have to do is add a new script to it. Great. Now let me go to my main scene and let me show you how this works. So first of all, we have a simple counter here that basically adds a number when we press add button and subtracts the number when we press subtract button. So what we want to do is go to the script. Here is our variable num. Let me cut it and paste it in our auto load scene. Save. Now we got an error. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a prefix of auto load dot, and now let me see, it still works. So now what we have to do is we have to download our plugin from the GitHub repository that I made here. Just download from here, zip file, save, show in folder, extract all, and inside it we just have to cut this folder. Actually, let me copy this folder and paste it over here. Paste it over here. So now what we are going to do is, here is our add-on folder. Go to project setting, plugins, and gonna enable our Save-it-Spinach plugin. Enable. Now we have to close it. Now what we have to do is add a new node called Save-it-Spinach, and as you can see, here is a node. Now in the auto load name, we have to name our auto load scene node, which is this auto load. Now in the key, we have one variable, so we will add the size to 1 and then edit it. Remember it to be a string and just name it num, and here is this string. In the value, you have to name exactly what is your variable name. This and this could be exactly same. There is no need to take tension for that. So let's save it, press F5, and our saving system works. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Download this plugin from the GitHub repository and uh, donate me some dollars on itch.io. The link will be in the description, and make sure to join my Discord. Till then, bye bye.